After 15 holes are adsorbed by the suction cup, can lift a 600 by 400 suction cup with 32 kilograms. With a negative pressure of minus 0.09 megapascals, the vertical suction force of a single hole is 2 kilograms. Through hole and through hole parts can be quickly adsorbed, and the suction is stable. The special shaped parts can be adsorbed in 1 second, quickly solve the clamping needs of special shaped parts. Small work pieces are also firmly adsorbed with great suction. Each suction hole of the suction cup is equipped with a valve core similar to a one-way valve. All suction holes that are not covered by work pieces will close and seal themselves. It supports through-hole processing, washing and penetration. After washing through, the corresponding suction holes close, and the other holes covered by the workpiece continue to adsorb. It supports adding cutting fluid and water-soluble cutting oil. New Warna vacuum suction cups use exclusive patented design, with a simple and beautiful switch, and it supports positive pressure reverse blowing after machining, to clean and replace the workpiece, making the suction cup easier to clean and maintain, durable and not blocking the suction holes.